This is our meristematic tissue, which consists of apical, intercalary, and lateral. The cells of the tissue are dividing and redividing. They have dense cytoplasm, they lack nucleus, they have thin cell wall, they have dense cytoplasm. ठीक? They don't have intercellular spaces. Apical is present at the apex, that is tip. Intercalary at the base of leaves and internodes. ठीक? And the lateral is the side of stem and it provides the girth. Baki, they provide the increase in height. So next tissue we are starting with the permanent tissue. So with a permanent tissue, in the permanent tissue, the first type is simple. In the simple, first type is bete parent. So before starting the permanent tissue, what is differentiation? Hurry up. What is the process called a differentiation? In which anyone, as you have crammed, then you are thinking about it. See, bete, meristematic tissue, as they divide and redivide, one day they have to take a particular shape, they have to take a particular size. ठीक? So the process of differentiation, जब meristematic tissue divide हो जाते हैं तो at point में एक particular shape ले लेते हैं, they have particular size, ठीक, and they have particular function. Like parenchyma is a function of a storage. ठीक? Like collenchyma has a function of mechanical strength. Like sclerenchyma, again, it is a type of a strength providing tissue. This meristematic tissue, when they will take a particular shape, means they are lignified or they have pectin, they will have particular size and have a specific function. So this process leads to a permanent tissue, and the process, whole process is known as differentiation. Okay? The first type of tissue is parenchyma. The parenchyma is thin-walled, this is a thin-walled, having vacuole, having nucleus, having cytoplasm. Okay? So what is the labeling? There is a cell wall, then there is a nucleus, then there is a vacuole, and then there is a cytoplasm. So Now, bete, who will tell me where this parenchyma is present? What is the location of the parenchyma? Hurry up. Location, you should know what is the location of the parenchyma. आपको आना चाहिए. What is the location? Anyone? Raise the hand, bete. Who knows? It is present in the epidermis. It is present in the endodermis. Anji, anyone? So many hands are raised now. Chalo. Very good. Mesophyll of the leaves. Very good, Pith. You know very well. Anji, anyone? More. Bhumika. And you can complete the answer. Hurry up.
Ma'am, it is cortex and epidermis.
Cortex, epidermis, endodermis, or
Ma'am, and parenchyma for floating.
that is parenchyma is the type of the parenchyma tissue only when there is present air, when it have to float.
Ma'am,
That is known as parenchyma, and when it has chlorophyll, it is called as chlorenchyma. That is other thing, bete. We'll do afterward. Now I am asking the location actually.
ma'am, mostly the parenchyma occurs in the all parts of the
Test.
plants like stem, root, leaves, flowers,
In
fruits,
stem,
seeds.
bete, where it is present, you have to tell the exact location. I have told you before, the stem, where it is present. When you dissect the stem, you find upper layer epidermis, there it is present. Or in the endodermis, in the pith, in the cortex, in the mesophyll of the leaves.
Ma'am, it is
आपने के लिए stem
Ma'am,
नहीं बोला?
medullary rays of stem.
हाँ, very good,
it is formed in outer and inner parts of plant organs.
very good. So it is finished with the location. ठीक? Now who will tell me the structure of the parenchyma?
Ma'am, can I?
हाँ, बोलो.
Ma'am, the shape of this tissue can be irregular, round, oval, spherical, and isodiametric.
Okay, you are one time you are saying irregular and second time you are saying isodiametric.
Ma'am, it can be.
Can be. Okay.
It
Next.
has thin.
They have intercellular spaces.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, they have intercellular spaces. The main point is they have intercellular spaces. Hanji.
And then cytoplasm also.
They have thin cell wall. You have to difference between parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. You have to difference according to their cell wall. They have thin cell wall. They have large intercellular spaces.
And then cytoplasm.
Then cytoplasm. So these are the basic structure of parenchyma. So what is the function of parenchyma?
Storage.
It can protect also as it is present in epidermis, and epidermis is a protective tissue.
Ma'am, it provides strength and support
Strength
to
and
plant.
basic function to provide strength and support is bit of collenchyma.
Okay, ma'am.
Or it can be parenchyma, it can be chlorenchyma. When it is known as parenchyma?
Ma'am, when it store the large air cavities.
When it have to store a large amount of air in aquatic plant and the plant have to float. When it is known as chlorenchyma?
When it is
When it
used for
contains
photosynthesis.
When it has chlorophyll and have to photosynthesize. Now let us do bit collenchyma. Next is, here only I will make the changes. Collenchyma. Now this collenchyma has thick walls at the corners. They have, why they have thick wall at the corner? No. Lignin is to present in the sclerenchyma. Karima. Can anyone tell me why they are thick wall at the corners? Irregular thickening at the corners. बेसिक अगर डिफरेंस देखें इनके स्ट्रक्चर का, इन पेरेंट काइमा एंड द कॉलन काइमा देयर इज थिकनिंग एट द कॉर्नर बिकॉज ऑफ डिपोजिशन ऑफ पैक्टीन. ठीक, देखो बेटे सेलुलोज तो हर सेल वॉल में होता है. द सेलुलोज सेल वॉल इज मेड अप ऑफ सेलुलोज. अब ये थिकनिंग किसके कारण है? दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ पैक्टीन, अदर सब्सटेंस नोन एज पैक्टीन. ठीक, तो हाँ जी, हु कैन टेल मी द लोकेशन?
Below the epidermis.
Where it is present, colon chyma?
Ma'am, below the epidermis in the leaf stalks.
Leaf stalks, yes, wherever there is bending required, है ना? तो it is present in stems, जहाँ पे भी bending चाहिए, branches में भी होगा. Very good. हाँ जी राघव. हाँ जी, what do you want to say?
The areas where the plant is flexible.
That is the function, bete. Wherever the flexibility is required, they are present. So they are for the mechanical strength. They help in the bending of the branches and the leaves to provide the flexibility. The basic function of this colon chyma is this. And the cells are irregularly thickened because of the thickening on the pectin on the corners. Getting my point? So when you will write the thickening, there was a difference in the exam between parenchyma, colon chyma. The students are writing thickening in the colon chyma, thickening in the sclerenchyma. What is the main difference between the thickening in the colon chyma? There is a thickening at the corners, or irregular thickening is there, and not because of lignin there. But in the sclerenchyma, the thickening is, they are thickened to cell wall and because of lignin deposition. These are living. Sclerenchyma is dead. Hanji. Okay. So let us divide now last our simple permanent tissue, that is
Sclerenchyma.
next is bete now sclerenchyma. This is the wall of the scleron, cell wall of the cell. They are late. And this is the thickening. That is a thickening because of lignin. Okay. So this is thickening because of lignin. So likewise you will make in all the cells. Okay, bete. So this is thickening. Likewise, you will make in the third cell wall and you will darken it, showing the thickenings. Okay? So likewise, you will draw the third one. So these are the cell wall जो अंदर गई. This is our cell wall. And because of thickening, this lumen get narrow. This is narrow lumen. And these spaces, ये जो बीच में spaces हैं, these are known as pits. These are known as pits. So this is our sclerenchyma where it is present. Husk of coconut, जहाँ पे भी dead है, when you were eating apple and all the pears में वो crunchy आता है, that is your sclerenchyma. और हाँ, in plant तो
Around the vascular bundles.
learning about plant tissue, definitely in the plant बेटे. हाँ जी. और anyone
in the stems around the vascular bundles,
Okay, very good. Or
veins of the leaves,
now, what is the
And
function
hardcover-
of the sclerenchyma?
it provides its strength to the plant parts.
It provides strength to the plant. Yes, very good. It is
Ma'am,
hard
protection.
seeds and nuts. हाँ, it provides strength. ठीक. Now, इसके बाद our permanent tissue, that is simple permanent tissue, finishes here. And the next class, we will do the complex permanent, and then afterward we will revise the questions regarding this chapter. And I want full participation of all the students in that. Okay? So आज का you are got through. We have done meristematic, which consists of apical, lateral, intercalary. Meristematic में divide करते हैं, redivide करते हैं. They lack vacuole. They have thin cell wall. They have dense cytoplasm. They don't have intercellular spaces in them. ठीक? Wherever there is growth is there, they are present here. From the three meristematic, the lateral one provide the girth to the plant, broaden करता है, width देता है, बाकी सारे क्या देते हैं? Height. From the simple permanent tissue, there are two types: parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma is to provide strength. It provides support also somewhere, but main function is to provide storage of the food. So parenchyma has large intercellular spaces. They have vacuole. ठीक? They have vacuole बेटे. Thin cellular wall. They have nucleus. They have intercellular spaces. Talking about collenchyma, they have irregular thickenings. They are present where there is bending of leaves, branches, as they provide flexibility to the plant. And sclerenchyma is kind of a supporting tissue, support the plant wherever strength is needed, like coating of the seeds, nuts, husk of coconut. And from the three tissue, that is parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma, the sclerenchyma cells are dead. The cells are dead. This tissue is dead one. Okay? So what we have revised today, now we have to start with the complex tissue. It will merely take 10 minutes in the coming lecture. And after
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
मैम collenchyma के borders thick किस चीज के कारण होते हैं वो रिपीट
Pectin,
कर दो.
pectin बेटे.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So there is a lignin, there is a pectin. Two chemical we have done. Cellulose तो सब में होता है. One there is suberin, cuticle you will do afterwards. Whenever there is coke, leaves की जो upper layer है उस पे cuticles होती हैं. ठीक, we will do that when we'll do the dicot stem. So the class is going to be over and we'll meet on next Thursday and hope you will revise and we will and take part in the discussion of the chapter. Okay then.